Welcome back, stationery enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of hacks that will revolutionize the way you use your daily stationery tools. Starting with making personalized sticky notes. Just pass them on the paper and create a small time schedule clock for yourself. Want to add fun to your notes? Give a vibrant touch to your stapler by coloring your pins. Do I always get confused about the side? Yes. Do I have a solution now? Yes. Stick Sunstar sticky notes to know which side of the cable is correct. Short of geometry tools? And have to draw a circle? Here is what you can do with paper clips. Saving your day like a hero. Draw bigger radius circles by sticking paper clips together. Pen runs dry so fast. Add water to help. Dip the tip of the pen in warm water and watch it go with the flow. Do you use your washi tapes for decorations only? Here is what you can do with these tapes. Mark your personal journals. Need a bookmark in 2 minutes? Watch these tapes turn into a cute tittle flag. Washi tapes will guide your cables with their lives. Apply them and see the magic. Here is how you can protect your pen from getting lost. Let your sticky notes hold it for you. These were the hacks that will save your day. Thanks for joining us on this stationery adventure. Stay tuned for more fun like this.